Nick, how's that diet, bro? You scrapped that shit yet? I'm doing good on my diet now. I'm back down to 190. I was at like 200. I was at 185, then I skyrocketed to 200 in 3 weeks. Now I'm back down to 190. So I'm doing good. Once I get down to like this weight, I start getting like motivated to like, all right, like here we go. Let me really do this shit. Is this the guy that's better than Formal at Halo, right? Yep. When you see some shreds, you just want to get more shreds. Exactly. Time of the year is coming where it's impossible to diet, aka Thanksgiving, to the end of the year. I mean, diet every day. Thanksgiving comes, fuck it, go ham. Then you diet again, and then when Christmas comes, you be fat for a day or two. At least that's what I'm gonna try to do. Yo, what's y'all's go-to plate for Thanksgiving? Mine's definitely chicken, sauerkraut, mashed potatoes and gravy, asparagus, shrimp. I go fucking ham. Plain unseasoned corn, buddy, eating with the pilgrims. Hell yeah, I respect that. Pussy ass. Does anyone in this stream take this shit serious but me? So much mashed taters. Turkey is the worst. Nah, I fuck with turkey. Turkey stuffing, mashed potatoes and gravy with carrots and green bean casserole. Holy shit, you got it down packed. Meat, mashed potatoes, green bean casserole. Am I missing out on this green bean casserole? My aunt makes this asparagus with shrimp dish. It's fucking fire. I just realized y'all can see this whole fucking setup. I probably won't end up being the goalie. People who don't want to move are usually the goalies. I always got to do the bitch work in these content videos. I'll be out in the fucking field. I saw we had a soccer video today, and I thought it was gonna be outside, but guess not. Bro, Bose's birthday's tomorrow, and I feel like he might want to go out tonight, but I'm fucking sick. But like, I want to turn up. Going out while sick is a Texas thing. Well, I want to go out, man, but I'm fucking sick because of how stressed I was, I think. And now I'm pretty good physically, but like my cough and like mucus is just, hopefully I don't have COVID. Holy shit, I'm spreading it. Just give some sloppy toppy, that'll clear your rate up. Is that how that works? Chad, if you have a cold, are you just supposed to give someone some slop top? Honestly, the pollen has been terrible in Texas. Probably just that. I think since moving, Jesus Christ, I'm like fucking drooling on myself because I'm so congested. Who is your best teammates of all time? Cloud was really good. Formal was good. So you're going to the tournament? Rally? Yeah. I'll be there. I'll be there regardless. Have you ever lost a game of SWAT? God damn, my cough is so fucking bad. Damn it, bro. That was a fucking clip waiting to happen. Just for my cute kid. Bro, how is that not a heady?
Dead.
Holy shit, my accuracy is just unmatched. Oh, this is an Addy. No way, bro. This is an Addy-free zone. Please leave. I ain't gonna lie, chat. If any of y'all have a kid, like, consider me Uncle Big Dog. Uncle MaNiaC or Uncle Big Dog, whichever one you wanna.
Ow. Oh, You got rockets, too?
Dude. Dude. Watch, he's gonna hit that. Holy shit, he almost did. Dumbass. Give me this shit. BtHMaNiaC. I should do like a BTH troll drop. Like just onesies, bandanas. What else? Onesies, bandanas, coffee mugs. I wanna go to the moon. Darling, to darling, to. Holy shit, I'm the king of this shit. Troll drops? I'll be the first person to start troll drops. BTH Speedos? Yeah, Speedos. Actually, it'll probably be, on a serious note, it'd probably be like underwear. Dumbass. Some undies. Undies, bandanas, fucking. Boxers or briefs? It'd be briefs. I'm a briefs guy. Whoa, what the fuck? What the fuck spawn just happened? Oh my, what? Bro, I know it's just big team, but what the fuck? General everyday apparel sounds good. Where'd that snipe go? Where is this fucking bitch? I feel like I saw him under here. Is he just crouching like a puss? Hey, what's up, man? How you doing? Later.
I have a laser. Hard hot.
I bet on Nick and Squid Game. There should be an optic Squid Game. We just let the sub train die. Now I'm mad. Bored. How poor are you too, kid? Later. Damn. Team, formal, best man, status, taking turns. Yo, imagine. Still waiting on that weekly podcast too. Yeah, me too. Head of content MaNiaC, that's me. I feel like I play better when I first get on. Oh, what the fuck? I think I play better right when I get on. It's like something about it. I'm like, well, it is big T battle. Something about it. Look at this guy. What the fuck is that? What happens in big team here? Are the tats all done? No. I'm like halfway done with my arm.
Bob, I'm sobbing.
And then I still got to do my whole fucking chest. Let's fucking go.